How to add a PDF to PowerPoint. Have you ever made a presentation where you need to insert a PDF? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need to open PowerPoint. When the PowerPoint is opened, the next thing we will do is to select the Insert section from the top menu. When the section is opened in the list of options, find the Option object. It's this little window icon right in the text section. When you click on it, a window will appear in which we will select the Create from File option. Here we will click on the Browse button. When Explorer opens, go to the address where your PDF is located. When you find it, click on it and then on the Open button. All that remains is to click on the OK button and the icon of our PDF will appear. Position it wherever you want. And when we double click on it, we will be able to open the PDF. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.